This video demonstrates how to make a frequency histogram in Excel. Frequency histograms offer a way to visualize and understand patterns in the data. Data is collected into bins of specific value ranges and then displayed with bars. Bins may represent categorical groups or a range of numeric values. The y-axis indicates the number of observations in each bin. In this example, we'll make a histogram to count the number of plants measured at various heights. Before constructing a histogram in Excel, you must choose the appropriate bin size. Bins should be large enough to include at least several data points in each bin, but small enough to show the data's true distribution. Bearing in mind the goal of balance, find the range of the data you'd like to plot with the histogram by finding the minimum and maximum values. For the minimum, type equals min, highlight the column of heights, and tap Enter. Repeat for the maximum by typing equals max, highlighting the column of heights, and tapping Enter. Since the range here is 440 to 845, binning by 50 appears reasonable. Create a column named Bins and list the boundaries of each bin in the column sequentially. To construct the histogram, you need the Data Analysis Toolpack installed. Start by selecting the Data tab, click on Data Analysis, and select Histogram from the scrolling menu. Click OK. Click the space beside Input Range and highlight your data. Then, click the space beside Bin Range and highlight your Bins column. Finally, put a check in the box beside Chart Output. Click OK. In addition to the histogram chart, Excel produces a list of the bins and the number of observations in each bin. To format your histogram, delete the More row from the table. Then, delete the legend. Delete the title and rename the axes. Then, click on the graph. Click on the bars in the graph. Select the Format tab. Click on Format Selection. In the menu on the right, click on the bars icon. Then, under Series Options, set gap width to 5%. Sometimes you may want to look at two series at once. Say, for the previous example, that some samples were collected at low elevation and others were collected at high elevation. First, organize your data into a table and pick bins for the elevations as you did before. For each group, follow the steps to make a histogram. Click the Data tab, select Data Analysis, select Histogram, highlight your input range, your bins, and be sure to select this button next to Output Range and then select a cell for your histogram to go in. Repeat for every series. Once you've created the histograms for every group, delete one of the graphs, click on the remaining graph, and select the Design tab. Click on Select Data, and a Select Data Source box will pop up. Click the series name, Edit, and select the box that describes the series on your table. Click Add, select the name of the other series on your table for series name, and for series value, select the frequency column from the histogram table. Click OK. Format the graph as before.